So in this video we're going to talk about React Portal. So the portal is basically used to render child component outside of the DOM hierarchy of the parent component. So normally we render everything inside this div element with the id root, but also it is possible that we can break this hierarchy and we can render outside of that DOM hierarchy. So here we can create another element with a different id, portal root, and also we can render components inside that element also, and that is possible using the React Portal. So we can use the method ReactDOM.createPortal. So the create portal function takes two parameters. So the first parameter is the component and the second parameter is the reference where we wanted to render this component. So here you can see inside the app component we are rendering the grid, and the grid component basically returns welcome to React Portal. And here we have this output. So you can see our component normally rendered inside the div with the id root, and that is the normal DOM hierarchy. So let's now break the DOM hierarchy and let's now render that component outside of the DOM hierarchy inside that portal root that we have just created. So for this we have to use the React Portal. So let's now create the portals. So here in that grid.js, so first of all we have to import ReactDOM from the ReactDOM, and then here inside we're going to return. So we're going to create the portal. So ReactDOM.createPortal. So as a first parameter we're going to use this h1, and as a second parameter we have to specify where we wanted to render this component. So here we're going to take the reference of this newly created div with the id portal root. So we're going to use document.getElementById, and we're going to pass the portal root. So here we're just basically rendering our simple JSX component inside that newly created portal root. And let's now refresh. So this time if you see that our component is not rendered under this root id, instead the component is rendered under the id portal root, and that is possible because of this create portal. So the portals are very useful for scenarios where we wanted to render the content outside of the DOM structure, like in case of modals and tooltips, and also creating pop-ups. So hope you understand about portals in React. So see you in the next one. Take care.